Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by getting essentials ready so the assistant works reliably on the water. Enable Bluetooth and Wi-Fi, pair the watch to the phone, and make sure battery is above 20%. Once paired, open the boat Smartwatch app and tap Voice Assistant in Settings to enter Setup. You do this now because hands-free operation depends on that direct link. It removes latency and improves microphone routing. Make sure Do Not Disturb is off so responses come through immediately and prompts aren't silenced. Next, configure how you'll trigger and use the assistant at sea. Select either a wake word or the hardware voice button. Test both in calm conditions to learn which responds faster. Then adjust microphone sensitivity and enable wind reduction so voice pickup stays clear against waves and breeze. Map 3 to 4 quick actions: navigation, call, sauce, music, for single tap execution. Doing these steps reduces repeated commands and saves time. Once configured, you'll speak fewer words, yet get fast. To finish, validate performance with a short trial on the water so you see real behavior. Issue a navigation request, place a call, and trigger the SOS to confirm latency and accuracy. If you notice lag, toggle Bluetooth, restart the watch, and confirm the app has background permission. These steps restore the connection quickly. For muffled responses, clean mic ports and move the watch away from collars or gear. If problems persist, switch to button activation to bypass wake word detection.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.